Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. This show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today is August 10th, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. Sorry for the no updates in the past week. I've been tied up, but I should be getting back on this on a regular basis, at least twice a week. All right, so last time we spoke, Ethereum was getting ready for the upgrade for the London fork, and now it's successfully done and it's up and running. And already this is a nice website. You can track the burning of Ethereum so far from the EIP 1559 upgrade. I mean, this is about $75 billion of Ethereum already burned since going live. JPMorgan is getting ready to offer a Bitcoin fund for its private bank clients. They're going to be working in conjunction with NYDIG. Circle is announcing that it's going to transform itself into a national digital currency bank, and that would just give it more credibility for its USDC stablecoin. Here's a letter from Moore Cayman, an accounting firm in the Cayman Islands, attesting to the holdings of Tether. So they are attesting that Tether does have $62.7 billion of assets to back up their reserve of Tether, so that they can say that it's a one-to-one. They did break down what the holdings are, the ratings on the commercial papers, and their maturity dates. And I think the cash did increase. I remember before it was about only $3 billion in cash. Now they doubled it to $6 billion. And I think commercial paper has gone down to $30 billion now. But yeah, I mean, this is just an attestation, not a complete audit from a company in the Cayman Islands. So take it with a grain of salt. And I mean, it's better than nothing, right? AMC recently on their earnings call, the CEO said that they are setting up to take Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as a form of payment by the end of the year. Virtu Financial, this is a market maker company, so they are the ones that are in the market buying and selling on the bid and ask, so that they can provide liquidity to the market. And they've announced that they are in the crypto space now, mainly in Coinbase and Gemini. So they are helping to fill in the bid and ask so that we can have a more liquid market. Virtu is no joke. It's publicly traded. The ticker is VIRT. It's a $5 billion market cap company, and they have about $2 billion of revenue this year. So it's great validation for Virtu to come into the crypto space. Invesco is filing for an actively managed ETF revolving around Bitcoin. So it's going to be trading exchange-traded futures contracts on Bitcoin and collateral investments. It will not directly invest in Bitcoin. Fidelity disclosed that they bought a 7.4% stake in Marathon Digital Holdings, the miner. So along with Fidelity, we have other companies too, like Vanguard, Susquehanna, and BlackRock, all have a stake in Marathon. And for educational pieces, check out this article from, surprisingly, American Bankers Association on cryptocurrency, right? So crypto is inevitable. I think the banks see it, and of course they have to understand it because it's going to greatly disrupt their space. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.